Breaking news coming in, Shiv Sena is fuming after Prime Minister Narendra Modi met French President François Hollande and held talks over Jaitapur power plant. The Shiv Sena says people of Jaitapur do not need the power plant. Shiv Sena has been opposing the concept of the nuclear power plant in Jaitapur. Joining me live from Mumbai is Headlines Today's correspondent Mayuresh. Mayuresh, Prime Minister Modi sparked fresh speculation on agreement on Jaitapur nuclear power plant in Maharashtra during his visit to France. But with the indication that's been coming in that the negotiations are being held in a positive manner.
Certainly, but on the second hand, if we see that Shiv Sena is still firm on their stand, Shiv Sena is saying that we are opposing this particular stand. In a way, Shiv Sena is opposing their own Prime Minister, because as we all know that Shiv Sena is partner in the alliance in centre as well as in Maharashtra also, and Shiv Sena is firm on their stand that we are with the localites, because localites feel that if they give their land for that particular project of Jaitapur, there will be no business, because these people are totally dependent on the farming as well as on fishery, and they have feared that once that power plant gets set up there, it will affect the farming as well as the fisheries also. Back to you.
Mayuresh, what about the safety concerns over Jaitapur reactor that has earlier held up land acquisition in the area, and BJP's ally Shiv Sena continues to oppose the French project in Maharashtra?
Certainly, the safety about the safety and other irregularities, the concerned authorities have gone. They have reached to local people over there. They try to convince them that this is a totally safe and secure project. We have taken all the adequate measures, but people over there, they are scared after the particular incident which happened in Japan, and they are feared that if this plant gets set up, then it will affect their two main business. One is farming, because this land will be set up on their farmland, and second is fishery, because this plant, they will be using that seawater to cool off the reactors. Then the localites over there feel that this will affect the fish also, and in a way it will affect their main business, that is fisheries.
Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us there from Mumbai. We'll keep coming back to you for more details.